Well, horses are front and center around here today, and in thinking about the things that horses like to nibble on, carrots come to mind, of course. So I'm making Sigrid's carrot cake. It's one of the best carrot cakes I've ever had. Sigrid is one of my mom's lifelong friends, and she used to bring this cake to my mom at Christmas time, on her birthday, so I've had a lot of it throughout my life. Now I'll make the batter. Start with 2 cups of sugar, a cup of vegetable oil, and 4 eggs. And then I'll just mix this up. And now for the dry ingredients, I'll sift together 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Someday I will carefully measure, but today is not that day. And then half a teaspoon of salt. And then this recipe is so easy. A teaspoon each of cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. I love easy recipes where everything is 1, 1, 1, so easy. Then I'll just sift these together. Okay, now I'll add about half of the sifted dry ingredients to the mixer. Let it mix up for a few seconds. And then I'll add the other half. Now I'll mix this till it's totally combined. Okay, now I'll just add 2 cups of the grated carrots. I love carrots. Just mix in pretty gently. And that's the carrot cake batter. Lovely. Now I've got a greased bundt pan, and I'll just pour it on in all around the ring. A lot of times, because it's easy, I just spray baking pans with baking spray, but this time I really greased and floured it well because I don't want the carrot cake to stick. All right. Now the cake needs to bake at 350 for about 50 minutes, and then I'm going to let it cool and cover it with frosting.
There we are. That's what I'm
Go with it,
screaming.
right?
There you go.
Let her turn. There you go, like that.
Wow!
Way to go, girl.
He's gonna turn. Get ready.
Go with
Go,
him, buddy.
go.
Go with him.
I've made the carrot cake and it's totally cool. Now I'm whipping up the frosting. This is where I'm up to so far. I added a stick of softened butter to the mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, along with an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese. I creamed it all together, then threw in a pound of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and mixed it all together. I could just eat this stuff with a spoon. So yummy. All right, I've got a cup of pecans and I chopped them really, really finely. Now I'll just mix this in. Okay, perfect. I saved a little to the side and I'll sprinkle those on at the end. And now for the fun part and the messy part. I'll just sort of plop it all over the top. I stuck a piece of parchment under the cake because I know my history. I'll have icing all over the cake stand by the time it's over. And then I'm just using a regular dinner knife. I'll get it around the outside and I'm just letting the icing fall in the center and coat the inside. This looks just perfect. And at the end, I like to sprinkle a few extra pecans just to be fancy. Now I'm just going to carefully remove the parchment. I didn't do too badly, not too big of a mess there. What a cake. I love you, Sigrid.